This is a CO2 laser water flow monitor. Water is pumped into the sensor through this tube, out of the sensor and into the CO2 laser tube from the other side. When the laser is started without water flow, an alarm will sound. Once the water flow begins, the alarm is silenced. If water supply is cut off, the alarm will again sound. When the alarm is sounding because of low or no water supply, power to the laser tube will be disabled. On the computer, the water flow may be monitored. As you can see, it is currently flowing at approximately 0.85 liters per minute. The threshold at which the alarm sounds may be adjusted using this software. When the alarm sounds, the computer also gives a visual indication by flashing the taskbar icon. When power to the laser is shut off, the software indicates that the alarm is disabled. The taskbar icon will still flash when water flow is interrupted.